Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hadidi Makeovers. So today we are going to be tying a turban using my raw silk. You can tie it as a bride, you can tie it as a casual guest, a wedding guest, sorry. You can also use this let's say for a photo shoot or a pre-wedding shoot. So if you're joining me here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be tying her ankara as the base of this hair tie. First of all, you want to place it 50. This is a 50-50 placement. This is just the base, so you don't need to tie it to look very neat. So I'm going to remove her hair earrings just to tie it properly so it stays on her head. I'm going to be tying this. I'm going to be placing it from behind her head. Sorry, I'll be placing from behind her head, and then pulling it up to the top. Like, it's just a triangular shape hair tie. It's just the base, so no need for too much of doings like that on this side of the turban. So I'm going to just tie this like this, twist it at the front, and then pull it to the back again and give it a knot like this so it stays secured. You don't even, if you like, you don't have to tie it like this. And for my model, sorry guys, her head is not very big, so I just decided to tie this. And if there is a bigger base so that the hair tie will look fuller and bigger, it looks finer when the hair tie is bigger. So I'm going to be placing the raw silk, my 2.5 yard raw silk. And also guys, I told you I have this raw silk for sale. If you want to order them, you can send me a DM on Instagram, then I'll send you my WhatsApp number. We ship worldwide, and wherever you are we can send to you. Okay, so looking at this now, I'll be doing, this is also a 50-50 side turban. I placed it equal sides on each side, like, sorry, I placed it from behind her head, and each side of the turban is a 50-50 equal part turban. Okay, so I'm going to pleat this one side, and then I'll count it again. Make sure your pleat is very neat. As you're pleating, you're pressing it down so it stays on perfectly. So looking at it now, I'm going to count it and see how many pleats I've got there, so that when I'm pleating the other side of the turban, the other part of the turban, I will know I'm doing an equal part tying. So now I'll be pulling. I'm already done with one side of the turban, then I'll pull the other side of the turban again, then I'll start pleating. So I have to count it first to see how many pleats I have down there on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to be counting it, looking at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 8 pleats there. I'm going to be pleating 8 on this side too, so that will make it look equal. And you want to make sure you pleat it properly. Some people pleat their head tie on their leg or on a surface before placing it on the head. So the best thing to do is just to pleat it down first, then you can move on to placing it. Well, for me, I was in a hurry, the model was also in a hurry, so I just had to place it and then just pleat it like that. So looking at this right now, after counting again and making sure the pleats are equal and making sure they are very neat, I'm going to hold on to it. And you want to tell your model to hold her head firmly so that she doesn't shake and the hair tie don't move. You don't want it to be moving up and down, so that you get a perfect turban style. So I'm going to ask her to hold her head down properly so that she doesn't shake and the hair tie doesn't move, because we are not holding it yet. So I'll hold on to the first one and then twist the second one again and bring it to the opposite side of the turban. Then I'm going to start pleating from this side again. You want to make sure it's secured and all of that. So I'm going to turn her around so that you see the back of the turban. Don't get impatient here. Some of you be complaining I don't show you the back of the turban. I don't show you the back of the turban. So today everything is going to change. I'll show you the back of the turban. So I'll ask her to hold the first pleat of the turban from behind, sorry, from the front of the gele, from the front of the rustic. Then I'll turn her around so that you see the back. Yes, so this is the back. Can you see what the base of the hair tie, that Ankara we tied in the first place, what it's doing is just holding the, it's just making sure the hair tie looks fuller. And yes, her head is very small and she was not making her hair, she's not fixed any extra hair on her hair, it's just her natural hair, so we just have to work with that. Yeah, so I'm going to hold on to the turban like this to the raw silk, making sure I tied the first pleat. This is me looking for the, yes, you see, I just held the, and I asked her if it's tight or not. So you don't want to over compress your client's or your model's head. So I'm going to tie a knot at the back. I was supposed to tie only one, then flip it to the top and then tie it like that. I don't know what happened until when we were done. That was when I saw the mistake and my model was in a hurry. Maybe next time when I'm tying it again, I'm going to refer you to that video so that you watch how it works. So asking your model to hold on to the hair tie is the secret behind this. So after this, then the excess part of the turban, you want to tuck everything in like this so that it looks puffy again. Yes, like that. So this is it, guys. This is how the hair tie looks. You want to arrange it, make sure it looks firm and everything stays on all day, so that when she's dancing or she's doing whatever she wants to do, you see it's going to be on her head for a very long time. So this is this, guys. If you're watching me for the sorry, okay guys, this is the hair tie. Thank you guys for watching, and also thank you for always being there. Please like my videos, comment and share. If there's any other style you want me to tie for, you can send me a DM on Instagram. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.